Bellwork 9A continued. Questions 7 and 8. Looking at number 7, a common mistake made on this problem is to think that it's a two-step equation because x and y are on the same side. However, what is the coefficient of y? The coefficient of y is a positive 1. And when you have a positive 1, you don't have to divide by positive 1 because multiplying and dividing by positive 1 changes nothing. So in other words, this is just a one-step equation where you simply take the x term to the right side of the equation. Since it is a positive 2x, the inverse operation would be to make it negative 2x. And again, I'm not going to line them up so you understand that they're not like terms. I'm going to cancel the x terms, bring down the y, bring down my equal signs, and then there's nothing to combine over here. So really, there's no adding, subtracting, or anything involved that would change any numbers. So I just bring down my x term, and I bring down my constant term. And because it's a positive 16, I put plus 16. And that is it for question number 7. Pause your video, get it all written down. Number 8. Number 8 is just like number 7. Yes, x and y are on the same side, but the coefficient of y is a positive 1. Therefore, the only thing I need to do is take this x term to the right side of the equation. This time it is a negative x term, so the inverse operation would be to make it positive. So I'm going to add 3x to both sides. Cancel my x terms, bring down the y, the equal sign, and again, I cannot combine these, so I bring down my variable term first, and then because it's a positive 7, it is plus 7. And that is it for questions 7 and 8. You put the answers a little bit closer to the work. All right, that is it for Bellwork 9A. Bellwork 9B is done exactly like this. 1 and 2 are going to be done the same way as 1 and 2 on this Bellwork. 3 through 6 are all going to be two-step equations and so forth. If you have any questions on Bellwork 9A or Bellwork 9B, please do not hesitate to ask.